In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on Slack. Whether you're using Slack for work or personal projects, switching to dark mode can reduce eye strain and give your workspace a sleek, modern look. It's a simple process, and you can do it in just a few steps using either the desktop app or a web browser. So, let's dive in and make your Slack experience a bit easier on the eyes. First things first, you'll need to sign into your Slack workspace. You can do this through the desktop application if you have it installed, or simply by opening Slack in your favorite web browser. Enter your login details to access your workspace. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to see your usual Slack setup with all your channels and conversations ready to go. Next, we'll navigate to the Preferences menu. To do this, head over to the top right corner of your screen where your profile picture is located. Click on your profile picture to reveal a drop-down menu. From here, you'll want to select Preferences. This is essentially your settings hub where you can customize various aspects of your Slack experience to better suit your needs. From the Preferences menu, you'll see a list of options in the left sidebar. What you're looking for is the Appearance option. Go ahead and click on Appearance. This section is all about the visual aspects of Slack, allowing you to tweak how your interface looks. Once you're in the Appearance settings, you'll be presented with choices under the Theme section. Here is where you can enable dark mode. You have two options to choose from. The first option is simply Dark. Selecting this will immediately switch your Slack interface to a dark theme, providing that easy on the eyes look and feel. The second option is System. By choosing System, Slack will automatically match your computer's current theme, whether it's light or dark. This option is particularly handy if you prefer Slack to follow your system-wide settings, adjusting automatically if you have your operating system set to change themes at certain times. The great thing about these changes is that they take effect immediately, so you won't have to restart Slack or refresh your browser. You'll notice the difference straight away as your workspace transforms with this new, visually comfortable theme. And that's it. You've successfully enabled dark mode on Slack, and you can always come back to the appearance settings if you want to switch back to a lighter theme or let your system manage it for you. By using dark mode, you not only give your eyes a break, but you also give your workspace a stylish new look. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to stay tuned for more tips on making the most out of your digital tools.